Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to add custom Discord emojis. With this tutorial, you will be able to add photos and use them as emojis. The first step is looking for an emoji on Google or Safari or any other browser you have. You can also use your own photos, but let's try looking for one first. Now, open Discord and make sure you have a server that you can use. Then tap on the three lines at the top left corner and then tap on the three dots or My Server. So just tap on Settings and then Emoji, and all you have to do is just upload emoji. After picking your emoji, then just tap on Choose and it will upload here. But with this, it will say emoji _1 or 2 or 3 or however many you've made. So just edit that by tapping on it. Let's name it So after you've done naming it, let's go back to test it by tapping colon and then the name of it. And there we go. You can use better emojis. You can make better emojis if you use PNGs because it doesn't show the white part, but I couldn't find any, so just use PNGs in the future. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.